Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your math teacher. Now, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 5, Exponents. So, what students, what are exponents? Listen, exponents are mathematical notation that indicates the number of times a number has to be multiplied by itself. As you are seeing the product 3 into 3, as 3 is written 2 times, so it can be written as 3 to the power 2, and the product of 4 into 4, in which 4 is written 3 times, then it can be written as 4 to the power 3. If we talk about in general, if it is written a into a into a up to n times, then it can be written as a to the power n, in which a is called as base and this n is called as power or exponent or index. As you are seeing in this 3 to the power 2, the base is 3, and if you say power or exponent index is 2, and in 4 to the power 3 the base is 4 and power is 3. Now listen student, if any number is having power 2, then we say it as square. As it is 3 to the power 2, then we say it as 3 square. And if any number is having power 3, then we say it as cube. As this 4 is having power 3, so we will say it as 4 cube. Now let's solve few example in which we have to write each of the following in power notation, or you may say in exponential form. As in the first one, this minus 8 is written 5 times. That means its power will be 5. It can be written as minus 8 to the power 5. And this minus, and in the second one, this minus 4 upon 3 is written 4 times. That means its power will be 4. It can be written as minus 4 upon 3 to the whole power 4. Next is, if we are having any rational number a upon b and it is having a whole power n, then the power will be of both the number. As you are seeing here, in a upon b to the whole power n, we can write it as a to the power n upon b to the power n. As you are seeing in the example, we are having minus 2 upon 3 to the whole power 7. So this power 7 will be of both the number. That can be written as minus 2 to the power 7 upon 3 to the power 7. And we can take the power as a common also, as in minus 3 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 5. We can take this power 5 as common. It can be written as minus 3 upon 2 to the power 4 to the whole power 5. Now, next question is, here we have to express each of the following in power notation. So how we can express? Listen. What we will do, first we will find the prime factorization of these number. As the prime factorization of 25 is 5 into 5 and the prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So in which what we have to do first, we have to make equal number of factors. As this 25 is having 2 factors but this 36 is having 4 factors. So what we have to do, we have to group the factors as 2 into 3 and 2 into 3. So we will get 6 into 6. That means this 36 can also be written as 6 into 6. Now it is having 2 factors. Now we will write this 25 upon 36 equals to 5 into 5 upon 6 into 6. As the numbers are written 2 times, then the power will be 2. Now what we will do, we will take this power as common. It can be written as 5 upon 6 to the whole power 2. So this is in power notation. The same we will do for the next. We will find the prime factorization of 27 and 64. As the prime factorization of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. But the prime factorization of 64 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And this we are having 6 factors. But in 27 we are having 3 factors. So what we will do, we will group the factors of 64. So after grouping it as 2 into 2, we will get 4 into 4 into 4. Now both the numbers are having same number of factors. Now we can write, as this 27 is negative, so we will write each of the factor with minus sign. It can be written as minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 upon 4 into 4 into 4. Then afterward, as the numbers are written 3 times, so the power will be 3. So taking the power as a common, we can write it as minus 3 upon 4 to the whole power 3. Next law is, listen, the next rule is, if we are having a negative number and this negative number is having a odd power, then its answer will be negative. And if any negative number is having even power, then our answer will be positive. Listen, as here we have to express each of the following as rational number. As in the first one, it is minus 8 upon 5 to the whole power 3. Now, as this minus 8 upon 5 is negative and the power is even, that means we will get a negative answer as the power is of both the numbers. So what we will do, we will write the minus first, and then we will write this 8 up to 3 times and 5 up to 3 times as the power is 3. Then after multiplication we will get a negative answer, which is minus 512 upon 125. As in the second one, we are having minus 3 upon 2 to the whole power 4, and this 4 is even, that means our answer will be positive. Now that means there is no need to write this minus sign. It can be written as 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4. As the power is 4, we can write this number up to 4 times. Then after multiplication we will get the answer 81 upon 16. Now let's start laws of exponents. We will learn few important laws of exponents. The first one is, if we are having such kind of numbers in multiplication whose bases are same, then the power add, as we are saying a upon b to the whole power m into a upon b to the whole power n. As they are having same base, then their power will be add. We will get a upon b to the whole power m plus n. Let's solve few examples based on this. As in the first one, we have to simplify 2 upon 3 to the whole power 2 into 2 upon 3 to the whole power 3, as both are having same base, as they are in multiplication. So in multiplication, power add. So we will add the powers. 2 plus 3, we will get 5. So as the power is 5, so we can write this number up to 5 times. Then after multiplication we will get the answer, which is 32 upon 243. But in the second one, we are having same base and they are also in multiplication. 4 upon 9 into 4 upon 9 to the power 6 into 4 upon 9 to the whole power minus 4. But the powers are of different sign. Listen, here we also follow the same rule. The power will add. But how? Listen, we will add this 4 upon 9 to the whole power 6 plus within a bracket minus 4. And we will simplify the bracket as plus minus minus. We will get 6 minus 4 in the power. So after subtracting the power, we will get 4 upon 9 to the whole power 2. As the power is 2, we can write this number up to 2 times. Then after multiplication, we will get 16 upon 81. Now, next law is, if we are having such kind of number in multiplication that's whose bases are same. If we are having such kind of exponents whose bases are same and they are in division, then in division power subtract. As we are having a upon b to the power n divided by a upon b to the power n, as both are having same base and they are in division, so in division power subtract. And multiplication, if numbers are having same base, then the power add. And division, if we are having same base numbers, then the power subtract. So we will get a upon b to the power m minus n. Let's solve one question based on this. It is minus 2 upon 3 to the power 7 divided by minus 2 upon 3 to the whole power 4. Now as you are seeing, these are having same base, so the power will subtract. Now after subtracting the power, we will get minus 2 upon 3 to the whole power 3. As the power 3 is an odd number, that means we will get a negative answer. So what we will do, we will first write minus, and as the power is 3, we can write this number up to 3 times. Then after multiplication, we will get minus 8 upon 27. Next law is, here is a law, if we are having a power of power, as there is a rational number a upon b, it is having power m, then again it is having power n, then what will happen? These power will multiplied. We will get a upon b to the whole power m into n. Now in the example, as you are saying, we are having minus 2 upon 3 to the power 2 and it is again having a whole power 3. Then what will happen? These power will be in multiplication. So we will get minus 2 upon 3 to the whole power 2 into 3. Then after multiplication, we will get 2 3 is 6. As the power is 6, this power 6 is even, that means our answer will be positive. So as the power is 6, we can write these number up to 6 times. Then after multiplication, we will get the answer, which is 64 upon 729. And in the second one, we are having 3 powers. Now power of powers. So the same we will do, we will multiply these powers. We will get minus 1 upon 4 to the whole power 2 into within a bracket minus 2 into minus 1. Then when we simplify these powers, we will get minus 1 upon 4 to the whole power 4. Now as you are seeing, the power is even, that means we will get a positive answer. So as the power is 4, that means we can write these number up to 4 times. Then after multiplication we will get the answer, which is 1 upon 256. Now next law is, if we are having a if any rational number is having negative power, then we can make it positive by the reciprocal of the base. If, as you're seeing here, is a rational number a upon b, it is having a negative power, and if we if we write the reciprocal of the base as b upon a, then the power will become positive. As you are seeing the first one, it is minus 2 upon 3 to the whole power minus 1. So how we can make it positive? By the reciprocal of the base, we will add this minus 3 upon 2 to the whole power 1. Listen, if there is no need to write power 1. Listen, if any number is not having any power, then we say its power is 1. Listen, and this 4 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 4. As if any number is not having any number in denominator, we can write as 1, and the 4 upon 1, its reciprocal will be 1 upon 4. Now, and this minus 5 upon 6 to the power whole power minus 11 will become positive if we find the reciprocal of the base. It will minus 6 upon 5 to the whole power 11. Now next law is, if any number is having power 0, then its value become 1. As you are seeing in the example, the a to the power 0, its value 1, and 3 to the minus 3 to the power 0, its value 1, and 2 upon 3 to the power 0, its value also 1. And if in the question we are having 4 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0, that means 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Now students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.